Are you curious about how to get followers and become popular and even TikTok famous? In this video, we'll share tips on how to become popular on TikTok. Then, we'll give a rundown of what happens when you become a creator in the TikTok Creator Fund. Since its launch in 2016, TikTok has skyrocketed to becoming hands down one of the trendiest and most popular social media platforms. TikTok has an unrivaled reach and appeal among teenagers. Gen Zers love TikTok, but they're not the only ones who do. In 2020, TikTok had 800 million active users. Becoming TikTok famous is an aspiration shared by probably hundreds of millions of people around the world. Even though the platform has been out for a few years, it's not too late to become TikTok famous. If you put in some time to learn about the app and how to get followers, soon enough you'll be growing your audience like crazy. Lucky for you, we know a thing or two about TikTok and how to get followers. Let's get to the tips. Subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell to never miss out. 8 ways to get followers, become popular and get TikTok famous. Here are some foolproof strategies to help you acquire more followers and get famous on TikTok. 1. Consistently post high-quality content. Like most social media platforms, posting content consistently is key to getting more followers on TikTok. It's best to post at least once per day, every single day. It may sound like a lot, but you honestly can't really post too much on TikTok. Posting more is always better, but there is one exception to the post every day rule. If you're a TikToker that makes longer form content, it's okay to post 2-3 times per week. Also, don't expect to get famous by frequently posting junk. Your content needs to be high quality, always. No one wants low quality content in their feed. 2. Find your niche. The idea of being loved by everyone on TikTok is fun to imagine, but it's a bit more realistic to think about finding a niche and sticking with it. Think about what kind of followers you want and make videos that appeal to them. To find your niche, combine 2 or 3 things that interest you. For example, let's take marketing for your clothing brand. There are countless numbers of girls on TikTok who post videos about fashion. But if you post fashion-related content for girls who are taller than 5'10", you've got yourself a niche. If you have a niche and you post high-quality content on a regular basis, you'll eventually get tons of followers, even if they aren't totally interested in the niche aspect. To use our previous example, if you post awesome fashion-related TikToks like try-ons and product reviews, you'll get followers who love fashion even if they're shorter than 5'10". 3. Think outside the box. It sounds cheesy to say think outside of the box, but you need to be creative if you want to stand out on TikTok. It's good to cash in on trends, more on that later, but it's also good to try and start them. Don't post exactly what everyone else is posting. Think of how you can bring something new to your niche or category. Make videos that are fun to watch and people will want to share with their friends. 4. Identify trends and join in on them. It's good to be unique and creative, but if you're looking to get more followers, you should jump on trends. Identify rising trends and make some content ASAP. Trends may involve using a certain song, visual effects or type of joke. Keep an eye on what kind of potential trends are in your feed, and then join in on the fun. Just make sure to keep it high quality. 5. Embrace who you are. Even if you want to get TikTok famous, your content shouldn't be all about what everyone thinks is cute or funny. It should be real and genuine. What do you think is cute or funny? Share it with the world even if you haven't seen other TikToks with that kind of style or humor. If you want to be deep on TikTok, don't be afraid of sharing your opinions and points of view, even if they're not popular opinions. Some people will agree with you or at least respect your courage for going against the grain. Take inspiration from other TikTokers, But stay true to yourself and share the personality that's uniquely yours. 6. Accept that your content won't be what everyone likes. Being TikTok famous doesn't mean that everyone will like you. Some people won't like your content and a few people may say negative things about you. If someone disagrees with your opinions, it's good to hear them out, but if someone is being mean or downright negative, it's best to ignore them. If you're trying to get popular on TikTok, it's best to accept the fact that some people won't like your videos. Remember, no one is liked by everyone. 7. Network with other TikTokers. There are a lot of TikTokers who want to get famous, but not everyone looks at it as a competition. Be friendly to your fellow TikTokers. Network with them to form friendships and even collaborations. Some easy ways to engage with other TikTokers are by liking their TikToks, leaving comments and sending messages. 8. Collaborate with brands. No list on becoming TikTok famous would be complete without this pro tip. Collaborate with brands. If you're out of the loop on what a brand collaboration is, it's when a brand hires a content creator, like a TikTok influencer, to make branded content for them. Surely you've seen photos and videos of influencers using certain products. That content was most likely sponsored by the brands that make those products. That's a brand collaboration. Brands are betting heavily on influencer marketing, which only seems to be getting more and more popular. Something you may not know is that the brand doesn't always have to be the one that offers collaborations to influencers. TikTokers can use platforms like Insense, PSST, that's our platform, to get in touch with brands that interest them and offer them a collaboration. Brand collaborations are a great way to make awesome content and get paid for it. That's a win-win.